Hey YouTubers, just an update on my battery. I've had that battery for about 3 years now, and it's worked out real good. The got it off of Amazon. I'll include it with the link. This is the setup I have for my battery, and it's coming real handy. I like the way it holds a charge, and XS Power D3400 batteries, what that is. I know it's kind of hard to see. You probably see a little bit right there. I got these terminals which you can actually put several different electrical cables on, and that's came in real handy too. This also, I like to see what the voltage is at all times, and that way it also has a fuse breaker, I guess that's what you call it, just in case something happens, it'll burn out. And I built this box out of ABS plastic. The plastic is, man, it's a good way to get away from something metal but still be sturdy enough. I got it all bolted down to the actual floorboard. I've used this cable. It's actually kind of like a sheath, and it really, if you got like 2 or 3 wires that you want to make a clean look, these cable sheaths are real handy to have. I got these on Amazon, and I'll supply the link to where you can buy these on Amazon. These are real good to have on any kind of project that you're building. And throughout my build on my Camaro, gives it a real good clean look.